Hey, Dad.
How was school today, son?
Oh, it was all good, eh?
Are you not telling me something? How did he know? I don't want to run away. I'll miss my Wi-Fi. Damn it, YOLO.
Don't worry.
That's my son. Hands in front.
Happy.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care.
So, McDonald's? No. Come on, McDonald's! No, nigga, no. Oh, come on, boys, for real. McDonald's, huh? Harry, for the last time, no. I'm not sure. You want McDonald's or no? Harry, for the last time, we're not going to McDonald's. Oh, by the way, no more money. What? You ain't got money? This nigga. No. Oh, Harry, go in the back and grab my wallet. Oh, yo. So, pop the trunk.
Woo, you know you did.
So, is that a no?
Surprise, motherfucker.
No.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day.
Wow, these are perfect day. How much are these on? Oh, these are on specials like $3.50. Oh. Nah, they're uncomfortable. I'll get the other ones, eh? I show you what these are. Bro, these are the ones.
Yeah, he just makes me angry all the time. Honestly, sis, do you have a portrait picture of Jesus Christ inside your house? Yeah, I have one in my room. Look into that picture. That is Jesus Christ. He is a good example of love, okay? You need to have love inside your heart. Find it, reach into it, bring it out, and love everyone who you hate the most, right? Okay?
Go.
I've found love ever since I went back to church. Trust in the Lord. Hold up, girl. Why don't you shut your mouth? Can't you see I'm on the phone? Stupid. What happened to all your love? Hello? Hello? Oh, sis. Sorry. Yeah, you just gotta trust in the Lord with all thy heart. Alrighty.
Surely, have I made a kicking in
Yeah, I think Mom put it up on the fridge.
Akasa mo ako, awal nga ngumay. Lau ka ugi parang. Awal ko'y faya.
Bruh, stop shaking me, man. Leave me. Stop. Bruh, that towel's clean. Damn.
What are you doing?
Usher, baby.
You're nowhere near Usher. Oh, really? Well, can you pass me my pants before you love me? What?
Have you got your period?
Nah, I'm peeing out blood out of my vagina. Such an idiot. Hurry up.
So I walk into Pack and Save about 2 weeks ago. I go stand by the tyro. I put some in a bag. And this is what I overhear behind my back. Shh, shh. Sunga vai. Ai ka kama parangi lele kuku mai ima ma fai angalo. Pai umai lei lo fish. Ai le la fa kau pai umai mo vo ke mi fa kau enga ka. This is my response. Tina. Uleva no uloa fishi kalo ma uleva foi nga fa kau enga kalo mi fa lo. Their reaction. Moral of the story: regardless of shape, color, size, gender, sexuality, we are all the fucking same. So let's not be ignorant, because it's ignorance that creates racism. And let's not have that either. Have a nice day, guys.
Junior, why have you been missing classes? You did it once. You know damn right I raised you better than that. Sorry, Mom. Why don't you be like your brother who always go to school? Please, Mom. Shut your mouth. Don't disrespect me like that. He did it too. Yeah, man. Where we going? Oh, Mom, is it alright if I can go to the mall with James? Oh, hi, James. Hi, Michelle. Bye. Anh kêu nó lê ngay pha sáng ngay lúc xem lúc bông ảo của ai phải yêu cũng dạ phải là đâu cũng á anh luôn nghe vậy ai có sao vậy là ngủ kỳ được mẹ đi rồi cũng quên rồi yeah, okay James have a good time. So she said we can go. Bro, you're gonna get a hiding in. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna sleep at my uncle's. Oh sweet, that's not my fault.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your Captain Bombole speaking. Just gonna let you know that we're gonna land soon in Aotearoa, New Zealand. So just sit back, relax. Don't worry about Ding Dong is coming on its way, and enjoy this music.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Bro, we'll see you guys tomorrow, okay, bro? If you see you later, Uncle. Oh, here's $20 for your lunch tomorrow, okay? No. Mom, look. $20. Oh, where's your manners? Say thank you to Uncle. Oh, thank you, Uncle. No worries, Nick. Be good to Mom, okay? Yep, okay, I will. Love you. Love you, Nick. So see you later, bro. I'll hold on to that money. Oh, Mom. I can look after it. I promise I'll give it to you tomorrow. No. I said, what are you running for? Huh? If you don't give me that money, I'm gonna decorate one of your two eyes. No, I don't want to. Oh. Yeah, why do I have to run around to try and get you? Huh? Please, you know, for that? Two black eye now, huh? You make me a bit more hospital. Little.